Hello my dear friends, I hope you can hear me. So I'm back with this project finally, I'm back with that, and this is last tutorial with this project. We will finish it on today, and after that, as I said, you will able to download it and you will able to use it in your own non-commercial projects. Anyway, so this is the last big tutorial of this building. Next time I will make the poll in my Telegram chat, and there you will able to share with me, for example, some other building, because I think all social distancing. I hope you like this kind of tutorial, so we can continue with the live streams with some of the building. For example, you can send me some ideas which type of the building you wanna see in the next time, and we will use it in our next type of the tutorial video. Yeah, I will keep my practice to make the kind of building in live stream. Only in live stream you can see and you won't see the mistakes what you will get. Everyone doing the mistakes, even me. I'm doing really a lot of the mistakes, and it doesn't mean like I don't know anything. This is mean everyone is human and everyone can forget something, like for example when you're creating your project. Okay, done with that. So what we're gonna do today, you can see right now on your screen Revit, and you can see on your screen the Lumion. And as you understand, we will work now with the Revit and Lumion, and you will see how you can work with that. So I have the Lumion 9.0.2, so it's not the last version, it's not even the pre-last version, because I don't have enough money to upgrade it. Anyway, actually this is not 0.2, this is 0.5. 9.5. Okay, so anyway, we will transfer our object to the Lumion and we will see how it's working, how we can create the realistic render, why I'm always saying you don't need to use any professional software, I mean for 3D artists, to get the nice render, and you will see why I'm saying about that. Okay, before we will do that, we can yes, ready, am I right? Before I will do that, I need to create some, for example, road or the pathway, because without road and the pathway it will look so weird, so we don't have like any surrounding around our building. So for that one, let's create it fast. We will not spend today time for that one, because this is not so important for us today. Anyway, I will create it by I will use the floor for that one, so you can use whatever for you want. I will use the floor. So as I said, this is not important for us today to create some I don't know, like some surrounding. So if you wanna spend the time, will be on you when you will get this project. Okay, I will do 6.5 meter for the road on the one side, and for the other side I will do only 6 meter. So let's make it 6 meter. We will change it later on if we want, but now I will leave as it is. So let's place the road like this. That road will go also like this. And let's say, as you can see, I'm working in 3D, so doesn't mean, as I said, always I'm saying that it doesn't mean you are doing something wrong. No, it means you are able to work in 3D, why not? And one more time, well, like this and like this. So let's use the trim. And here will be one more building. So let's do that, and here will be our road. As I said, doesn't matter for us right now. I will make it like minus 50 millimeter, just to make a difference with that. We can make the pathway, I mean, but this is again, as I said, up to you. I not will spend time today for that one. Okay, so let's save it and let's transfer it to the Lumion. So actually we have like two ways which I prefer how you can transfer to Lumion. First way, this is calling the live sync, but actually the live sync, this is not so important for us. Why I'm saying that? Because live sync, when you have all the models in one file, yeah, this is great feature. But when you have like different models in different files, it's kind of noisy ass. Really, it's like, you know, like a nail. You have the problems with the different objects, and I not recommend you to use the live sync. But if you have only one object, why not? You can able to use the live sync with your object, and that's it. So the other way, you can use the export. You know the export because you are exporting like SketchUp files into the Lumion, and this is working perfectly. So, and I will use only the second way. I will use the export. Let's export our file. You will get this point view. Like surface smoothing, you need surface smooth if you have like building like Zaha Hadid building, but if not, don't use like on the high. You can leave it on the something average between the normal and high. Just leave it as it is. The collect texture, this is important one. Because we have different texture, as you remember, we did different materials, and this is so important for us. Let's export our building. I will export to the my folder. Where is the my folder with the white house? White house is here, and I will call the another folder. It will be export. Export. Let's call it just export, and here I will say this is will be Collada file. This is DAE, if I'm not mistaken. This is DAE files, yeah. And let's export our house to this DAE files. Just few seconds till it's exporting. I will answer on the question. After importing to Revit file to Lumion, texture always gets messed up. Why? Actually, I'm not using in Lumion existing texturing from Revit. I will change it. That's why, as you can see here, I not even apply some texture. For example, here it's not white metal. Here the black metal. Black metal. If you understand, the color is different. I will do it everything about the materials. I will do exactly in Lumion. I not will export any materials from the Revit to the Lumion and render it there. No, we will change it. Everything we will change. Okay, we already done with that, so let's go back to the Lumion. I not will use any presets. Let's use just a plane. We don't need any some special things. So here is our plane. It's taking the time. Just give me a second. Not second. Okay, 2 seconds, maybe more than 2 seconds. Yeah, here is our plane, and I will reduce all the quality. Actually, this is not bad when you reduce all the quality, because when you will once render, you will get all the quality there. And after that, I will go straight away to the import the model. Once you will import the model, what the nice thing, if you are not using the sync, if you are using the live sync, so you're not able, for example, to save your model into the Lumion. But if you are just using the export, you are able to. So let's go to the White House, here the export, and here is my DAA White House. Let's import it. And as you can see, here is the category. I already have the category buildings. So this is my previous models from the Revit actually. Let's call it, and let's leave the name as it is. We don't need to export any animation, and I don't want to import any edges. Let's import it. It will take time because our building, it's not just exterior, it's interior too. Let's place it exactly on the 0. You're not will able to place it exactly on the 0 because if you will scroll it, you will see it's going a bit on the other side. Let's place it somewhere. As you can see here, I have another building. Actually, this is typical Russian buildings. It's not typical Russians. Why I'm saying that? It's typical like pure post-USSR buildings, and I have it from the Revit 2, and I can import it also to Revit. But as you can see, I don't using the live sync. That's why I can able to do that. And here is our building. So here is our building, and the first thing what I don't like, I can see my elevations. This is terrible. So we should reload our building actually. So how we can do that? We're going back, and now we wanna just hide all our elevation, I mean the levels. Well, let's go to the levels, and I will hide it. Here I will find the levels. Where is the levels? No, levels, is it here? Yeah, levels is here. A, B, C, D, E, levels. Okay, done. So, doesn't any geometry. Oh, also I don't want to see any lines, because lines can also exporting there. I don't want to see any lines. Now it's clear, and we can export it again. Yeah, it takes time, but after that you will get the clear drawing. Just get a second. Okay, done with that. Let's go back. Now what we can do? Actually, we can select the object. Where is the object? Let's select this object, and we have the. I wanna see the array import. Where is my array import? Reset size, reset randomize, replace selection. I already not remember where is the re-import the object, but anyway, we will find it right now. I hope so. We will find it. If not, I will just go to the imports. Let's go to the imports. Here's our building, and how to re-import. I already forgot it. If you remember how to re-import, tell me, because I already forget about that. Additional variation. Oh yeah, like this. And this will be actually this will be same name, but I will change it later on. Okay, no, never mind. Okay, so here is our building, and as you can see, we don't have any lines here finally, so we can work with that. And as you can see, we have the variation. Oh, this is pretty nice one. So we will leave variation. Actually, I know you know on variation. I will delete the next time without with the levels, because we don't need any levels. And now I will start to work with the materials. So that's why I'm saying I not will work with the Revit materials, because here I will start work with the normal materials. I will work with the Lumion materials. First, let's change the concrete. But before we will change the concrete, yeah, I'm saying the first, but after that I'll saying first. We will change the height of our building. Let's change that, and you will see now our asphalt. Let's change the color of the the texture of our asphalt. Actually, we have it on the outdoor. You will find it here, and here's the asphalt. Let's change it. So I will use the that one from the polygon, or the wet one. And the wet one, it's not bad, so let's use the wet one. And the nice thing what we get, as you can see here, the same materials. That's why you remember last time I said we will change all materials. Why I'm saying like that? Because if you are using the same material like here, the baddest thing, Lumion will understand like it's one material. As you can see, it's different elements but one material, and that's why once you will apply asphalt here, you will get asphalt on this side. This terrible thing. So what we're gonna do? We should go back to the Revit. We should select this object, go to the additional type, edit this material, and as you can see, finishing here is the asphalt, right? Okay, so awesome. Let's check this material. Let's go inside, edit. And here's also asphalt. Not cool. Let's change it. Let's change this one. First I want to duplicate it. Duplicate, and I will call it asphalt, just asphalt, without anything. We will go back to the inside, to the material. Here I will change the material. And the easiest way, I just can duplicate this material. And I will say this is just an asphalt, nothing else. Let's say okay. Now this is different material for the Lumion. For the Revit it looks like same, but for the Lumion it's become now different. Let's now export our model again. Yeah, with the live sync it will be working better, but you're not able to save it inside to the Lumion if you are using the live sync. Okay, here is our model. Let's select this model again, as I did already before. Let's add the one variation, and it here. Just it will take time right now. I will say this is number 2 will be. For now we not will change. And as you can see, now it's different material here and here. So now we are able to change. For example, here we want to make the asphalt wet one. Where is the asphalt? Here. I want to make it wet. This one. But here now we can change another material. As you can see, I can select it and I can say here is not that one, here will be concrete. Let's find some concrete, for example this one. And as you can see, here is now concrete. Now for the Lumion it's two different materials. And now we can apply any materials what we want. Let's do one by one. Here for example the brick, let's use the brick, outdoor, the brick. Let's use some not wet bricks. It looks weird actually. Because if it's not from the polygon, it looks like from the game. From the polygon it looks pretty well. But after that I will show you some materials we will use the custom one. No worries about that, I will make some materials custom. So let's use the concrete, and I want a concrete from the polygon too. Let's find some nice one. I not remember already. This one it's not bad. So this one, and for that supporting we will make it concrete too. So the concrete, I mean the texturing taking the time, but once you will do the texturing it will looks very well, because actually the material, this is most important for your model. Yeah guys, no worries, I will give you this model with the Lumion file too. So if you have the Lumion, you will able to upload to your own project and use it there. So you will able to do that. So let's use it. For example, here I want to use the plaster, because plaster is, let's use some concrete, some not so bad, it looks so bad, and this one also, oh this one not bad. And here I want to make it too. Where is my concrete? And let's find the same. Let's see what looks inside. And as you can see, everywhere is concrete. This is the problem. Let's see. When I select, but I didn't select any internal materials, as you can see. If I will select this material, I'm selecting that one because we changing, we rotate, we actually using the flip to our materials. How I understand it? Let's colorize it and let's make it the red one color. As you can see, here is outside, but for the other one this is inside, so this is not what we want. Again, we have now problems with material, right? So we should go back again. What I will do, I will leave like you can see right now. But now I know this material, I mean this wall should be rotated. Let's rotate it, let's flip it. You can use it just space bar to flip it. Or how you can do that? Just select your wall. And where is the flip? I cannot see the flip. I think you cannot the flip because you should touch it. Let's go to the some level. I need some level, floor number 2 or number 3, doesn't matter. And we should flip it. Now here we can flip it. Let's flip it. I think like this. Now let's go back to the 3D view. Here's the 3D view, and let's say export it again. Yes, today we will talk a lot of the time about the export and import. But after that you will understand how it's working with the Lumion model. So once we did it, let's reload it. And it's already number 4. It will be number 4 already. Let's say okay, and let's load it inside. What we can see, oh, I didn't flip it. I didn't flip it. Yeah, sorry, this is my mistake. Spacebar, just because I cannot see physically what's going on there, and that's why I'm thinking like I already rotated, but I didn't. Let's rotate it and let's save it again and again. Let's go back to the Lumion. Let's add one more time. This will be already number 5, and let's say okay. Now it's reloading, and as you can see, I get again this situation. What's going on? Because the one side and other side have the same materials. The answer is so easily. Let's go back to the Revit. And let's see what's going on. Now actually we have like much best way to solve this problem. We will use this way. We will just copy this wall to the another side. Now once we will load it inside to the Lumion, we not will get any problem. So I already exported. Let's load it number 6. This already iteration number 6. But once we will play with that, we will get the result what we want. As you can see, now we don't have any problem. But here we have the red color because we have white red color, because we have here another type of the wall. But on this side we don't have. This is another type of the wall. Actually we should continue our wall internal type on this side. So this is one. We should go back to the Revit. We should find this type of the wall. Where is this type of the wall? I think this is level number 1. Yeah, and as you can see, it's here. And I will say this is wall going till here. After that I wanna copy. Yeah, as you can see, this is real work with the Lumion and Revit. And now I will find, for example, finishing. Let's work with the finishing and let's connect it here. And now I know this problem will be also on this side too. So that's why I will copy this object and I will place it on this side too. Now we not will get any problem. Let's trim it. Okay, let's go back to 3D. You not will see now any difference, but it is. Let's load it back. Let's export it again. Yes guys, if you are just join us, I'm not using live sync. I don't wanna use it because as I said, this will make another problems, for example with the modeling. So this is iteration number 6. For me it's not 7. It's already 7 I think, right? Yeah, it's already 7. And just few seconds, done. As you can see, not any here, but it's okay. We don't have any red color outside, only here and only here. With that we will think about it later on, but for now everything alright. So as you can see, our external color as I want. Let's make, for example, we need material for our glazing. I wanna use some this advanced glazing. Let's use it, as you can see, and I wanna have a reflectivity a bit more than I have on the the existing one. Okay, we did it. So here it is. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so it's not bad. What's going on here? As you can see, we have here the problem. We have here the grass. Why we have here the grass? Actually, because here this level going the deep. Now we should use the landscape, lower part, and we should make it. Here we should going underground. As you can see, just few clicks and we are already here. Yes, we have this problem, but it's okay. It's okay. Everything okay. Let's. Oh, it's not everything okay. So this is my mistake. I wanna make the flatten, and let's make it flatten like this. Do we have any problem now on this side? No, we don't have. But outside also we don't have any problem. We should now a bit place it deep upper like this, and maybe I will make it more smaller. Just locally I will make it like this. Yes, you can make the soil in Revit too. So if you wanna spend time, you can make it in Revit. But why you will spend time there, I don't know. Because you just wanna render in Lumion. So the Lumion, it's not about get realistic soil and whatever. The Lumion is just to make the render, and that we want to make. We wanna just get the render. One more time, and just let's make it sharpness, and let's place it a bit more like this. And now reduce that one, and let's make it sharp. Just one more time on that side, and that's it. On this side, just let's reduce it and just a bit. So this done with that. Okay. So as you can see, now we don't have any soil inside of our building, but we can now do what I want. Now I want to place first my camera. So we will start from the exterior, that's why I'm not thinking now about the interior. We will start from the first camera. Okay, let's place it, our first camera. We will try to make nice shot. Let's do advanced, no, first we'll make with the camera. I want a focal distance as maximum as I want. Let's make the focal distance about this one. Let's go back. Here is my building. I will crop on this side, so I'm no worries about that. I will just crop it. It doesn't matter about that one. Let's make it like this, for example. Let's make it more close, or because we can Photoshop after that. We can get more nicely view. Horizontal one, and like this. Maybe like this. Yeah, it's taking the time when you're working with the camera. Let's place our camera here, why not? And now after that we need some effects. First we will go to the real sky, we will work with the real sky, and let's the heading our real sky. For example, I wanna make it a bit like this. Okay, and we need a bit brightness, not too much. Maybe this is not, will be like, yeah, like this. As you can see, the quality, it's really tough, it's really bad, but just hold on. This is exterior one, and now we need, as you can see, we need some interior texturing, and we will do it right now because we need interior texturing. Let's go inside to our building and let's place our interior. Actually, I not remember already which the type of the painting they use. I will check it out because we have the references. Let's load it and let's load this house. So here's our house, and internal, actually, as you can see, this is everywhere brick, and sometimes they're using some decking. So, but actually this is plaster everywhere, so white plaster. Let's use it too. So if it's everywhere the white plaster, why we not will do the same thing? The color like this. Actually this is our plaster already. And let's make it exterior. We want to make it interior. Interior one. And where's our plaster here? And I wanna get some, yeah, I will leave that one. Why not? And that one will be the same. Gypsum. Oh yeah, internal one, the plaster, and will be the same one. Actually here it's we should have the door. I think it's not going like this, but anyway, we will leave as it is right now. So what's going on the second floor? On the second floor it's everything the same, and on this floor we should work with this decking. This decking will be outdoor, and this one, and will be that one, I think. I'll check it out. We have references. Actually here is metal, as you can see. This is not a decking, here is the metal. But I think, yeah, we can use this one, why not? Actually we should get another material here, so we should change it, because here it's not concrete, as you can see on the picture. So this is mean we should go back to the Revit, we should apply here another type of the material, and only after that we can apply here the wood, because now it's not a wood. If you will see here, it's the wood on this both side. So this now we should working with the material. So I will go back with that later on a bit. Now I wanna work with the aluminum. I wanna make some first picture. After that we will make some detail. So where's our metal? Metal is here, and I wanna find the metal. I wanna make like polygon 1 polish mainly metal, and here's everything alright. Everything alright, it seems. And here everything is metal, outdoor, and this one and polish one. We get all materials, all metals, and here is not any metal. Done. Let's go back to the camera. I will show you, like, we will not use some special things, we will not place any tree, we just will render this building and you will see the difference. Okay, so we done with that. Now, as you can see, yeah, we get all I don't like this one. Let's change it fast. Just give me a second, because this one really important for us. And I just wanna make this white door. I wanna get the plastic, and will be just a white door with the plastic. And I think from the polygon, not, I will just use this plastic. As you can see, this is blue one, but I can colorize it like this. And as you can see, this is white one. Now, this is just a white plastic right now. Let's do the same thing for that one. I wanna just use the plastic too. The same one. Just double click on that and just colorize it. And as you can see, this is white one. So let's go back now to the camera. Where's our camera? Here's our camera. Now, yeah, this is much better. Actually, here we should have some railing, but I didn't finish it, sorry. Okay, so now we have the shadows. Let's play with the shadows. Actually not, I not will play. I just add some effects, and after that we will play with that and we will see the difference between that. Okay, now we need reflection. Of course we need the reflection. Let's make it the high and let's make it a bit flicker. And don't forget the spread reflection. And now we need edit it. Let's edit it. Why we need the reflection? Actually because we have, as you can see, he has a lot of the glass. Not so much the glass we have, but anyway, this is really important for us because that type of the glass should have some reflection. Without reflection, your building will be not realistic at all. No, we are not talking, it shouldn't be that one. Remove it, because this is concrete. We're not talking about realistic like in, for example, Array, but we're talking about the realistic like what you wanna make with your model. Okay, here's the reflection. You cannot place it everywhere reflection because this is only some limits. As you can see, I think it's around 10 or 15, I don't remember, but this is enough for us. And one more here, and that's it. Okay, we're done with that. Let's say okay. Now let's go back. You cannot see any difference. Let's render it. This will be like a, you will see progress just step by step. So let's render it, and this one will be export and render, we will call it render. And this will be number 1. So we will start from the number 1. So this is number 1, and after that we will see what we should change on our render. So here is our render. I will go back to the this file, and here is our first render. As you can see. Oh my god, sorry, because my screen is much bigger than you can see. I should make it like this. Okay. As you can see, shadows bad. Our sun, it's not a nice way. I think the nice will be from this way. And its result really bad. So let's improve it. First I want to change the location of my sun. My sun, as you know, I'm using from the real sky. Let's change the direction of the sun. I think it's somewhere here. Let's increase our setting. I will increase it to the high quality. Now I can see much better what's going on with my model. Okay, let's play around with that. I think it's somewhere, maybe yes, maybe like this. Let's try it. This is render number 2. As you can see, it's not taking a lot of the time. The number 2. Not better that I want. I wanna it's going inside to here. So let's make it a bit slowly, and it will go inside on that direction. As you can see, it's slowly and light going to inside. Okay, so I will leave as it is. Let's go back now to the let's go back to the shadows right now, and I wanna just change my shadow rate. Let's change it. Okay, and shadow correction. Okay, and I wanna make it. Do I want any sharpness? I don't know. Let's do without the sharpness, with the soft shadows. I think this is much better result we will get. Number 3. Yes, this is what I want. Now it's much better, but it looks like also not so nice. It's okay, it's okay. We will improve it, as I said. So let's go back now. We need now what we need. Actually, we now need sun. We have this one. We need global illumination. We will do it later on. We will now need the which one? I already forgot. I will find. First, I want a two-point perspective. Without this one, I will get my building not on the perspective. And after that, I need to work with my shadows. But before the shadows, we need depth from field too. Let's focus our building. Focus to here. Okay, and let's play with the distance. Background. So this is background. I need the amount the less, like this, and let's increase it a bit more and more, because I want to focus on my building. Sharp area, yes, and more focus on that, and we get it. Okay, now we have our building in focus, and as you can see, now we cannot see what's going on the back side. Actually, we need also the grass. Let's place our grass too. Where is our grass? It's here. We need the heightness and wildness, maybe like this, and the size a bit bigger. Let's go back to the photo mode. We wanna see what's going on. I don't like landscape, sorry. And yeah, I have the D5 render. Actually, D5 render you impossible. Okay, make tutorial about D5 render. Okay, but why I'm saying that? Because you are not possible transfer your Revit model to the D5 render. Why? Because the D5 render using only SketchUp files and FBX file, if I remember. But if you are just transferring your FBX from the Revit, you will get really collapsed. So we are not talking about professional rendering. We are talking about the Architecture 1. Architecture 1 is fast render without any problem. Why I'm saying the fast and why I'm spending the time right now? Because once you will create your Lumion scene, you not will change anything. For example, I have here, for example, I should have here the railing. I can go now back to the Revit. I can create here the railing, and now I can export it there without any problems with the materials, with the other walls. I remember when I worked in V-Ray, if you, for example, you just re-import your model, you will get a lot of the problems, like really a lot of the problems. I think about re-import, because you have the existing model and you want to change something there, you should make it exactly in 3ds Max, because if you not will do in 3ds Max, you will get a lot of the problems with that. Okay, so what I'm talking about? Oh yeah, I'm talking about the perspective. Okay, with that we did with that things. Okay, let's go back to the lights, and now I will just make the volumetric light. Yeah, I know I don't have here any volumetric, but I will make just effect of the light. I want to make it like this, and let's reduce it a bit. Let's reduce it a bit, like 0 point something. No, 0 point I said. Yes, and let's reduce the brightness too. Like this. Yeah, it's just a bit, we get a bit effects, but nothing else. Okay, we're done with that. Now what I want? Now I want to make the lights. Now need, yes, without the lights, you not will get the light. Actually, we should do some tricky thing. Where is that our model? We need to place our building a bit higher. Yeah. So now we need to place some lights here. Let's go back. Now we will find the lights. Actually, it's uncomfortable work when because now I'm streaming, and also it's taking the power from my video card, and also I'm using the Lumion. That's why it's taking a lot of the resources from my PC. Let's use the place, and here we will place some lights. I need like one light here, actually not big like that one. Let's place this one, for example, one light here, one light here, and one light here. Not too much lighting, don't put too much lights, because we here one more. Here we'll place. Oh, yeah, everything correct. Where is also on this side? Also, I wanna place one more. Actually, I don't have here the door. Oh my gosh. Oh, as you can see, we should go back to the Revit, and let's place here the door. I don't have here door, really? Oh my god, how come? And let's place some few lights on this side. Okay, now let's go back to the photo mode. What we will do there? Actually, now we will apply the global illumination. Here is the global illumination. Global illumination will take a lot of the resources from your PC. Just believe me, don't use it at all. I mean, don't use it everywhere, but if you need it, just let's place the mount spotlight, and let's say where we want to use it. This one. Sorry, I get the message. This one, and some few of that. Just let's do like this. All of this light I wanna make for the global illumination. Let's say okay. Let's go back to the photo mode. Okay, and let's a bit reduce the sun. Where's our real sky? Let's reduce the sun. Let's make it brightness less. I think here. I said here. Oh, it's really taking. Now it's everything so slowly. It's really so slow right now. Let's render one more time. This is number 4. And as you can see, it's not rendering now a few seconds. With global illumination. Actually, if you want to change material, for example, I don't like this type of the material, you can just type in internet like concrete with normal map, and you will get the normal concrete material with the normal map, not like this. This one, it's really tough because it's not high resolution and blah blah blah. You can find it internet for free. I have this type, I think I have the concrete, but we will do it later on. I mean the high resolution, I think it's 8K, but I will do it later on. Oh my gosh, now as you can see, it's taking the time, but with light it looks more better than previous one. Just let's wait. Nah, it's taking the time. I don't like waiting really. Just it's not even the finish. We're just starting and now it's already stuck. So that's why, yeah, you need what you need for the Lumion. You need the RAM around 32 or more, and you need the RAM video card. So the RAM video card. If you have the video card with only 2 GB, it's not enough. You need more than 6. Okay, so let's go back to build mode, and what I want to make my render much better. Now I will place the tricky thing in Lumion. The tricky thing in Lumion, this is tree, because trees in Lumion, it's really incredible. Everyone's saying like that, so this is not just my opinion. Everyone know like Lumion have really nice the trees. So let's place the trees in Lumion. I will use, for example, this one. So, and let's place it like few here. Oh, it's too much actually, but we will delete some of them. It's okay. And few here. So let's delete some of them because we don't need too much the same type of the trees. And this is unbelievable when these trees growing like so close the distance to each other. It's impossible in real life, so let's delete some of them. Maybe later. So what maybe later, sorry. No, I'm saying, why I'm saying you can make the tutorial. I'm saying because I know I work with already with the both of them, with both of this program, and I found it's not saving my time. You know, you cannot work like easiest like I'm working right now with the Lumion. I cannot place the trees like I'm doing right now. Will you doing interior? Yes, I will do interior, but I don't know in this tutorial or no, because I don't think so. I will have enough time today to make interior and exterior too. So, but I will try. Okay, I will try it. So I can select it, and I can select, for example, I want to change, for example, the green selection. I can change it, and I can do it one by one, or can work with together. So let's change some of them, like transparency. You're not able, for example, in even in Twinmotion, work easiest like in, for example, like you're working here. Let's go to the photo mode and let's check it with our trees. As you can see, the tree, it's really tricky thing in here. We have some bushes. We should place some bushes there. Let's place it. Let's go to the build mode. Why you say hi babies? Because I think this not so kindness to the someone. Or you are just kidding, I don't know. Is it your... Which version I should use for my 2G? I think number 5, Lumion 5 only. Sorry mate, but even the number 8 that wants more than 4 GB. So you should have more than 4 GB for your graphic card. I think the graphic card, it's not so expensive right now. Even it's not so expensive like a Lumion, you know, because the Lumion, it's much expensive than I think like GeForce 2060 Super. It's much cheaper than Lumion. But this is most nice the graphic card in nowadays, I mean. So the graphic card, yeah, it's not so cheap, I know, but what we can do, this is just a market. I'm not recommended to use, for example, the AMD, because the AMD, it's always it's in my practice, okay? AMD always have the problems with the drivers for the Lumion when it's working with the Lumion. Actually, AMD, the graphic cards is much better, but it's cheaper, but they have problems with the drivers every time. But Lumion using the crack version. Yeah, but Lumion we are using the crack version. Doesn't matter which you using the Lumion, you can use the crack version, not crack. I don't think so you will find the new version with the crack, because no one, I don't think so. You not will find, for example, 9.5 crack version in internet, and also you not will find, for example, the version 10. But version 5, it's totally free, so you are able to use it in your, for your situation you can use it. Okay guys, now I have this picture, and I wanna make one more. How I can do that? I wanna save all my effects. So yes, I know you slowly. Let's go back to the photo mode, here the menu, and you will find here the edit, and you can copy all effects. Don't make it clear, I'm saying the copy. Let's copy it. Okay, and now I will go to the another store camera. As you can see, now it's working much better. And let's make it the same view. I will just a bit change my camera. Same view, but it will be night one. Okay, let's do the same, and let's just edit and paste effects. As you can see, the same effects here. And now we will change only a real sky to the night mode. We cannot change it here. Now I should add version. No, it's not. It's don't do that. You know why? Because they have the mining machine. So if you will load it, if you will install it, you will get the mining machine on your PC. If you don't wanna making from your PC the mining machine, don't do it. If you wanna, just try. Yeah, I'm not saying anything. So let's find the nice effect. I think on this side. Just give me a second because I'm trying to find the nice. Oh yeah, this one. Just slowly, Nico, slowly. Go slowly. A bit. Yeah, yes, like this I want. I wanna just get the lights. Yes, like this. No, it's too much. Maybe like this. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, and let's save it. We already saved it, but I will do one more time, and I wanna place here the one more lighting to get nice effect, because now we're not getting the nice effect what I want. Let's place it here, the some lighting, some external lighting, outdoor lighting, or video graphic quadra, Tesla, or RTX. You should get RTX, yes, because the Lumion working with RTX. We already tried on our work, because on the my main job we have the RTX graphic card for our 3D artist. So, and he said this is really totally different. I believe him, because he are working actually with me, and I don't think so he will lying. So yeah, you should get the RTX, and actually Lumion doesn't how to say it, he don't care about which type of the processor you have. So Core i7 it will be much than enough, but if you have the money, you can buy i9, it will be much better. But again, this is about money already, because some of the students or some of the people doesn't have enough money to buy kind of the graphic card. This is really expensive. I will place one more here. Actually, we can place lights. Where's the other light? I said the light, place the light, and the light will be like this. Okay. Now what we can do, I will select both of these materials. I want to select few materials, this one and this one. Just hold the control and you can create the group materials. And after that you will just place the group. For example, I want to just place this group on this side. Just hold the Alt and let's place it somewhere here. I said somewhere here, not there. No, maybe here. This will be better. And let's place it here too. I'm doing just one by one. I will delete this one. Where is this model? This one, I will delete it. Let's delete. Okay, and let's place one more. Yeah, it's taking the time, guys, but sorry. Without that one, we not will get nice result. Let's delete. I don't know why, but that no one copy as I want. Okay, let's copy that one, I think. Yes, move and copy. Yes, move and yeah, only existing one. I don't know why. Anyway, it's okay, it's okay. I really can wait. Okay, here it's one more. We can place it on this side too. Let's place it on that side. Okay, it's here. We should rotate it. We can rotate here. Just I not remember which one. Just you can just double click. Not double click. Oh no, it's impossible to make it. Let's make it. As you can see, when you're rotating. No. Let's go back. Let's go back. I should go inside to this model. Let's change it. Change it. I want to change this group, edit the group, and let's ungroup it. This will be more faster. I want to rotate this one to 90 degree. Okay, and let's place it like this. Here one more, and here one more. Okay, we did it. Let's try it on the photo mode. Yeah. Let's go back to the restore camera, and we get the problem here, as you can see. Okay, let's work with that. Just it's taking the time. Yes, I know. Oh my god, how come? Oh, I think it's my mistake. I'm sorry. Just one by one, let's make it again. But now it's much faster than I did before. Okay, here the lights, but here is I cannot see the brightness of my light because it's, as you can see, it's going not right side. We should say it's going to this side. Okay, and here I will say to same. I don't know, the light also was rotate, but it's okay, we can change direction of the light. And one more. I say this one, and light will go to this side. Let's say okay. Now let's go back to our photo mode. We should add one more thing. We should go back to the realistic sky. I mean to the global illumination. And we should add some more things. Now I will unswitch that internal one and I will switch this external one. Because the external one for us now more important. Like this one, that one. Where's my internal one? I will unswitch that one and switch this one. And let's unswitch that one and switch this one. Oh, we don't have here the light. We should add the lights here. Let's add the light. Yes, build mode, I said. Where's the light? Place it. This one. Okay. Again, photo mode. And select light. Okay. Let's go back and let's go back to the camera view. I mean, just double click on that and you will go back to the camera view. Okay, as you can see, we get the lights. Actually, it should be go more higher than I have right now, but it's okay. So, and let's render it. Let's render it and let's get the pre-last picture. This will be number 5. It will take now more time than it was before because now Lumion working with the lights too. Actually, it's hard in Lumion to make. Oh yeah, This is as you can see. When you're working with the global illumination, you will get the result as you can see right here. It's really working with your texturing. It's taking the time to render it. Actually, we should change this concrete because this is really bad concrete. Actually, the nice idea making it's not so sharp as you can see right now. When it's so sharp, it looks like unrealistic at all. Actually, we're not talking about big realistic here, but anyway, this looks really bad. And my picture actually it's so darkness. I should get some more light for this picture. Let's stop this one, because I want to make it with more light, not like I have right now. We should wait. Okay. We should wait. Actually, I think it's crashed. I think I need more graphic. No, it's not finished. I think I need more graphic cards than just only one when I'm trying to stream and making the render. Because when I'm trying to making the render and streaming, it's really taking a lot of the resources. Now only 11. It's okay. 12. Oh yeah, I have problem with the stream, as you can see right now. The YouTube saying like you have the problem with the stream. Sorry guys if you have stuck, because it's rendering and it's everything really slow. It's only 14 now. It will finish, because if it's not will finish, it can be crashed. I don't wanna it's like making the crash. Okay guys, I will tell you one thing. Just I get now idea, and I think this is really nice idea. Let's make the competition. The competition will be, do you have the some render programs? I'm not talking about the Lumion. Maybe you're working with the V-Ray, or you're working with another type of the renders. Tell me, let me know below the comments. Do you have the skills, or do you have any programs in render programs? If yes, just you can leave the plus, or just you can say which type of the render you are using. Because I have one idea, and I think I will do the competition between my subscribers. This will be nice, I think. Yeah. So please let me know right now, and I will tell you what we will do. Just spend a bit time to let me know it. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. The people watching me and shy to answer. I don't believe it. We are not shy because we are working together. So seriously, guys, no one making the competition. You don't wanna make it? Okay, I think yes, no one. Okay. Anyway, because I have the prize, but no one to you make it like this. Okay, so then I already told you in this video about the external. We just starting to render it. Go for AMD. I don't like AMD. So sorry. You are saying to Mifril. Okay, Mifia, Mr. Freya. I don't like AMD, but if you like it, yeah, you can go to the AMD. Okay, so the competition is, yes, you're using Twinmotion, nice. The competition will be like this. I will post today my building. This is complete Revit building. you will able to download it for free, of course. And after 10 days I want to get some renders from you guys, and we will make the competition between subscribers, who will do the best render. And of course it's not will be my choice, it will be choice between the subscribers, no worries. So this is not will be like someone will get the prize. No, you will get the prize. This is real chance for you. The prize is I will tell you later on. I will give you the 3 different prizes. So the idea is you will render one building. You will use all your skills, render skills, how you make the composition, how you will do post-production. So, and once you will finish that, I will post it in everywhere, all in my groups. We will choose 3 best work, and 1 work I will choose for my own one. So 3 works it's the subscribers will choose, and 1 work I will choose only for my taste. Okay, so this is what I want to make. So what do you think about it? Do you wanna make some little competition between subscribers or no? If yes, just let me know please, and we will do it. The only one thing, you should use only the my model. You can change it, but don't change it at all, okay? So I mean, don't change the building at all. You can add some more details. You can add, for example, here, you can add the railings, here the railings, and make it more interesting. But the idea is how you can use it and how you can do the post-production, and what the subscribers will choose. I'm sorry, the price it's not will be car, price it's not will be Lumion license, because Lumion license it's really it's 4,000 euro. I think it's 4,000 euro right now. Anyway, the competition, it's open, and yeah, you like it. I know you like it. Of course you like it. I will post this model in few hours. Just I will let you know below the comments, or you can find all information in my Telegram group. Just go to Telegram group and I will post all information there. For today, guys, we are finished. Actually we not finished. I will save this scene. We will continue later on. And I think when we will finish, I will get already some works from you, and we will say who can work in Lumion or in other program really best. So if you really like, for example, the V-Ray, and you always saying like V-Ray is best, okay, render it from V-Ray and show us a result. So I will save my scene here, and this will be White House. And competition is open. Okay, thank you guys. Today we finish. We will continue the next time. Next time I think will be on the weekend. We will see, and we will continue to improve our renderings. Thank you for joining my stream today. See you next time. See you on the weekends.